White people. Damn.
It's like a cow killing gone bad, huh, Hayden?
Appears that way.
Yo, Hayden. Come check this out.
Then again, things aren't always as they appear.
I bet you're Benjamin here with a cow tipping, yo.
Yo. This is Iowa. Who says yo?
Hey, you know I'm from Detroit, fool.
Just hand me the sodium chloride. Maybe there was a struggle. Yeah! Who's your daddy?
White people. Damn.
That's a truism.
Gentlemen?
What have you guys come up with?
Carl's pelvis was crushed.
Yeah, Cal, do that to him, man.
Mavis is delicious with A1.
Anything else, Billy?
I found Thorazine in Mavis's blood.
Thorazine?
Yeah, and Mavis had enough in her to knock out an elephant.